How to change text to speech voice on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change text to speech voice on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok application on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. Now we will create a new TikTok and add a text, and then I'll show you how to change your text voice. So we'll simply just click on this plus button and create a TikTok. So now you can see we have our TikTok created, which is like a blank. So I'm going to add the text really quickly. Just simply click on text and type whatever you want to type. Okay, this is the text. Now we're going to just click on the text, click on text to speech, and it will have a voice. Let me actually show you. So you can see it's a woman's voice. In order to add effects to the voice, I can just click on voice effects, and you can see now we have multiple effects that we can add to the voice of our TikTok. Or to change the voice, what we do is we do this trick where we add another text. So if you already have a text and you're adding another one, then probably the voice is going to be changed. So that's what you can do. And you will add another text. This second text will have another voice, a male voice or a very deep voice. So this is how you can change your text to speech voice on TikTok. I hope this works for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.